Hey guys, Saul here again, Xtreme. We got a 2024 BMW X6 Competition. So what we did on this one, we did our level 2 ceramic coating. It came in, the paint needed some love. So we actually did almost a 2-stub, but we did pretty good on the paint. So we did our C.Quartz Professional to the paint. We did the faces of the wheels and the windshield coated. Check out the video. It was a long process. And guess what? Don't forget to subscribe. One of the crucial parts about a ceramic coating, and I can't stress this enough, is the preparation. The paint correction before we apply the coating. That makes sure that not only we're removing swirl marks, scratches, but we're actually priming the paint essentially at that point to make sure that we have a good bond for the ceramic coating. And then for example, in this one, we're actually gonna be using a medium pad from Rupes. We're gonna use CarPro Fixer for almost a heavy cutting, essentially, because it actually had a bunch of scratches in it. After that, we're just gonna come back with a nice mild pad just to polish it, just to give it that nice shine. And then after that is when the ceramic coating gets applied. So stay tuned.
I've been testing so much, all these wrestlers nice, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 8 at Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta.
All right, so now let's talk ceramic coating. There's a lot of companies out there, right? The web is full of, this is the best, that is the best. You know, this company does better. This is gonna last you longer. All right, well, I'm gonna simplify it for you. We here at Xtreme carry 3 different levels. Level 1 is a 3-year coating. Level 2 is a 6-year coating. And level 3, it's an 8+ year coating. Why I say 8+? Because at this point it doesn't matter if we did the paint correction, we put the ceramic coating. If you don't take care of that vehicle, meaning taking it into automatic car washes, not washing it, you know, regularly, that's gonna put a bead on that car and it's not gonna look good. It doesn't matter if you spend the money on ceramic coating, it's still gonna get damaged. So even though you do ceramic coating on a vehicle, you still have to protect it and you have to maintenance that vehicle. So I would recommend every other week. So at that point, you keep up with it. All those embedded contaminants that we don't see, they're gonna happen. There's nothing that's gonna stop it, right? So maintaining it is gonna be the way to go. Ceramic coating, what's gonna do is gonna make your life easier to maintain it. Meaning, it's gonna be easier to wash it, it's gonna look shiny. That does not mean that you don't have to wash it. You still gotta wash it. Then from there, we recommend for every coating that we do, every 6 months or every year to do what we call our maintenance wash. At that point, we chemically wash the vehicle to make sure that any embedded contaminants gets cleaned up. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, give us a call. You know, one of the benefits of a ceramic coating is how hydrophobic is the actual coating itself. Here, let me show you here, got a little water. Let's demonstrate how the water kind of beads right out of it. (2024) BMW X6, we did our level 2 ceramic coating, which is our 6-year coating. Remember, we're CarPro certified, so we carry C.Quartz Professional. For every ceramic coating job that we do, remember, you get a warranty with it. This little number is registered, like I said before, it's registered to the bottle that we're using for the coating, right? So as you can see, now we're gonna put this little guy, we're gonna put it on the door jamb, and this is gonna be for the customer. The cool little thing about this little book too is gonna be that not only talks a little bit about the product, but it tells you what's good to use on your ceramic coating. As of right now, I have not seen another company that does this. Not only it tells you what's safe, it actually tells you how to use it, which is pretty cool. So now that it's done, we did the paint correction on it. It was a little bit more damage than we thought, so we did a little bit deeper correction, but it turned out really good. So take a look. All right, so like I said, every ceramic coating job that we do gets a registration on our level 2 ceramic coating. So on this one, I'm gonna put it on the door jamb. That way it shows anybody, let's say the dealer, another detail shop that they take it to, that they know it says, no, the car is coated, right there. That little number, like I said, is registered to the same warranty. Also, another key thing that I like to point out, this little hanger. This little hanger, it's plastic, it's very durable. It talks a little bit about how to wash it. It says do not wash. Let's say, for example, you take it to the dealer and you don't want them to pass it through the automatic car wash. You can put this up there, that way they can see it. It's a little key thing that I think it comes in very handy, especially if you want your car to look like this.